In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a new tab in Xero. This is a quick, reliable way to keep your current work in place while opening a fresh Xero tab to reference another area, compare details, or navigate without losing your spot. It's especially helpful when you're reviewing transactions or cross-checking reports and want a clean view side by side. Start by making sure you're on a Xero page where the company logo is visible, typically at the top left of the screen. That logo acts as a link back to the Xero home dashboard, which makes it perfect for opening a new tab without disrupting what you're doing. Move your mouse over the Xero logo to confirm you're hovering directly on it. Now, open the context menu by using a right click. If you're on a traditional mouse, that's the right mouse button. On a trackpad, use a two-finger click or your device's secondary click gesture. The goal is simply to bring up the small menu that appears when you right-click a link. In the menu that opens, look for the option that says Open Link in New Tab. Depending on your browser, the wording might be slightly different. Some say Open in New Tab, but it means the same thing. Click that option. Be careful not to choose Open Link in New Window or any private browsing option, because those behave differently and can clutter your screen when you only want an extra tab. The moment you select Open Link in New Tab, your browser creates a new tab across the top of the window. You'll usually see a subtle highlight or an indicator showing the tab was created. Your current page stays exactly as it is, and the new tab loads the Xero home dashboard, or the destination linked to that logo. When you're ready, switch to the new tab to continue your work there, and keep the original tab open for easy reference. This approach helps you compare information without constant back and forth navigation. If you're reviewing invoices, reconciling bank statements, or checking settings while viewing a report, having that second tab can save time and reduce mistakes. If you don't see the Open Link in New Tab option, double check that your cursor is directly over the logo itself. You should see the cursor change to indicate it's a clickable link. If your device's right click is disabled or behaves differently, adjust your input method so you can bring up the context menu. And that's all there is to it. Right-click the Xero logo, then choose Open Link in New Tab. It's a small habit that makes navigating Xero smoother and more efficient.